Just gonna wait for more people to join and then I'll start making the list. I'll probably give it 7 minutes before I actually start making the list. Gotta get some pre-market music going. We're starting in 6 minutes. $7:35 Central Standard Time. I'll start making the list. I have my daily work meeting at 1/4 every time. Oh, isn't that nice? Man, that sucks. I wish your meeting was like just 40 minutes later. It'd be perfect. Damn, Kevin. Well, the good thing these are recorded. You can always go back and watch them. You won't be able to execute on them, but at least you can go back through and watch them and then later apply all this yourself on your own charts on your own time. That sucks, though. Sorry to hear that. Today it says I have an excellent connection. I think it's because I did it right for the first time. Make sure to add people in chat so they know not to miss out. I did start a little earlier than normal. Having a cheers off. Everyone. Starting in 4 minutes on this daily watch list. I just wanted to give people more time. Kevin, if you're still here, what kind of work do you do? Good morning, David. It's going to be a great day. Any day you could play same day spy contracts is a great day. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Stretching. I might just go ahead and start. Let's see how Spy's doing. Oh, I'll give you all a sneak preview. Check out my new intro. This is dope. I think everybody here is going to get a kick out of this one. Let me turn the volume on. Yeah. 5 seconds. That was a big voice crack. Developer for IBM based in UK. I have a few friends in the UK actually. So you're a good 6-7 hours ahead of me. Alright, let's get things started. I'm just going to start it early, 2 minutes early. It's all good. People miss out, they miss out. Not on me, not on y'all. Y'all are here. Make sure to like the video so we can screw YouTube's algorithm. I'm trying to get like a gazillion viewers in here. Then we could be like a one big ass single unit. Alright, let's go ahead and get this started though. Turn that back off. Alright, let's start with Spy. I personally think Spy is due for some correction going down today. I am bearish today. Alright, so below, let's stick with our, I want to do the pre-market low just because, man, I almost want to just do both pre-markets. Maybe a little higher on this one. I'll see what it is in the 1 minute. Wednesdays are always so tricky. It's like the stock's in the middle of its week too. It's weird. It just wants to be in the middle. The other days I'd be super bullish or super bearish. Today I'm bearish, but I don't want to be biased. Actually, I think I'm going to set my break below there. Set my break above at 268 flat. Let's back that out. Oops. Back that out. See what's up. I'm just trying to line it up with some other points of interest on the left to confirm that these are stronger. Now that I have more info on the left, instead of just a blank canvas on my left. Man, I think I'm confident with those lines. I'll go with that. If not, whatever. Just change it for next time. No biggie. Let's go to Apple. Apple's looking the same way. Looks like I'm having to choose an aggressive. Break below. See, break below is way down here. Missing out on $4 of room here. That's why I say some days you do have to set your own levels. If you aren't here, make sure to like the video, or like the stream, I guess is what I should say. I want to try and get like 25 likes on today's so we can screw the YouTube algorithm. So Apple, I think I'm going to stick with those numbers actually. Let's just say 264. And below 261. AMD. I'm also gonna have a video coming out soon. I don't know who I'm doing it with. I think I want to do it with Ben Pippin, but we'll see. A top 5 stocks video, like the stocks that I want coming back. Yeah, Yanzo's not actually here right now. It says with Yanzo, but he's not actually here right now. Thank you for that, Jason. I called him, but I think he's still sleeping, so I'm gonna keep doing my thing. I was gonna take it out of the title, but I got lazy. I want my break above to be a little higher. Because if I'm going to get calls, I'm going to be damn sure of it. I'm going to make that a little better. Let's go there. Don't want to give yourself too much room, but you want to give yourself enough room to where you're not, you know, jumbling or if you should play or not. Let's do 47.75. Amazon. Clear. Amazon's always going to be janky. That's all right. Set a loose one on Amazon. I guess it's not that loose. It's only $10. Let's just do 2015 flat. BA. Clear all this again. People always ask me if I clear my charts every day, and I do. I clear them every single morning. Make sure to add people in the chats to be in here if they aren't. Alright, back to this. I always gotta remember to keep my stream up so I can answer anyone if they say anything. BA. That's a pretty damn good line. Support, resistance, or support turn resistance, resistance, resistance. I would say that's a pretty damn good line. Below, set it right there. Let's do it under the wicks and above that support. So BA, we got 147.50, and below we got 144.50. Let's go to BAC. Clear that. We gotta try and find a pretty decent level above without it being too crazy. Honestly, I might just do the high. That's definitely my breakable below. Let's just go there for break a high. Give it a little room above it. Below 22.35. Let's just do, yeah, 25. Still in the B's, nice. Do I know anybody who does videos for swing trading? I know I'll be doing some in the future. I just haven't been focusing on them a whole lot because I'm more of a day trader anyway. Whoa, voice crack. But I do have a lot of friends who are swing traders that I can bring on for some pretty quality videos. They're just all pretty busy right now. Plus, swinging hasn't really been the greatest of things, and I do give some swing tips in a lot of my videos. Like today, if you're gonna grab anything, if today is green, I would generally go super light on SPY puts. I would go super light. Get like a late April, later May expiration. Out of the money, of course. You can get a cheaper premium. Make sure your Greeks aren't screwed. I know May 22nd has low open interest. But always check your contracts too. I think both chats have that bot though. All right, back to this. I'm on the 1 day 5 minute. I'm like, what the heck? Let's do 68 for the break below. I like that. I like that a lot. And we can just do 70 right above pre-market high for beyond. So I got above 70, below 68. Got us a triangle, boys. Well, more of a. I'm just gonna call it a squeeze. People get too riled up and trying to get the names right. It doesn't even matter as long as you know how to play it. On these, I'd be setting those double confirmations like I tell everyone. Wait for it to break these. Price level. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'll go over some extra tickers at the end. I'll go over DAL right after. Let me just finish this real quick. I keep messing around. So the pre-market high, and where'd that turn resistance? I'm pretty much choosing the same spot on like every stock, by the way. I don't know if anyone's picked up on that. But in extended hours, for the most part, I'm practically choosing the same areas. So you see how you always have like all these like up and downs, and then you're in like this little squeeze on a lot of the ones I've been doing. You always want to look for these spots where you see that where it stopped, and then you want to see where it retook it, if it ever did. And then you know, no matter what, even if the price is not near it, that's a really good line. Like another good example. I mean, that's the best example on here. I can't really look at another one. Facebook. Let's go to Netflix. Hey, we're out of the beginning of the alphabet. Damn, we got 16 likes. That's pretty good. We need 1 million. Netflix. Netflix has a more weird pre-market. Just do the high, the low. Just stick to the original strat. Let's just say 376. And alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. I'm also trying to go somewhat slow so I can choose the best, most updated lines. Because if I'm choosing a line like a little late or a little early, y'all are gonna get it a little late. So I'm trying to like be a little efficient with this. Okay, Nvidia looks the best so far. Yeah, Nvidia is definitely the best one on the list right now. I say that strictly because of how much it's not squeezing above this gap. While every other stock's like way up here on its own island, this one's actually kind of in a good spot. I love this squeeze. This could be a really good play today. I would say Nvidia is probably my favorite one on the list. I'm going to put stars next to it. Below 256. I think Nvidia is going to be very one-directional. God, I got excited looking at that chart. See, this one's not like on its own island either. It's kind of close to where it is. $179. Let's just say 15. Give it a little extra. See, this one's kind of on its own island. Like, everything's down here. Then you got your own little run up on its own island, and then you got another island. It's like nowhere near the meat. Sorry, my voice is just gone today. The meat of the action. A lot of our movements have been in extended hours, so that's nothing new there, but it's still crazy. I'm gonna set a passive break above and a more aggressive, like we have been break below. Let's just say 168. Mm, 15. Actually, I might make this my break above. I just happened to look back and see that. Only because it's more aggressive, so I think I have more chance of profit there. And then it is a pretty significant line right there. I don't have enough push and momentum there, but it seems like if I can get a hold of that, I can have a better chance of getting up more. So I'm willing to take that risk. Tesla and Zoom. Tesla's already squeezing its butt off. And I could grab from here, but what I see is this. Look how many times it hit support there. Market watch. What happened now? Who has coronavirus now? I don't care about one fund manager who's seeing a wealth bubble. I don't believe that. I would say risk to the downside's bigger now. Congress should send everyone a $1,200 check every month. I don't know about that one. What's up, Peter? Good morning, everyone, if you're in here. Thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. Make sure to like the video so we can all kick YouTube's ass. I gotta check out DAL and KSS, it looks like, right after I'm done. I was just reading some market watch real quick. So for Tesla, okay, let me pull this over. And above. Watch 447. Whoa, what the hell am I typing? I meant to type 547. That's a huge range. I'm saying watch this range because time and time again we have all seen we've all seen that range pick up again. Yeah, I got 268 and 265.50 on SPY. I'll post them in chat. I just wanted to get them on the list. Hey, we got 25 likes. Thank you, guys. But yeah, I start these the same time every day. I started this one earlier so I could get more people in here, but I'll still go to the 8:15, 8:25 mark. Let's go to Zoom. Plus, these are all recorded, so you can always go back and go through even if you miss out. You might miss out on the execution of the plays, but you'll still get to see what all we were doing here. That's why I kind of like using YouTube. It's an easy platform anyone can click on. We had 35 people in here. That was cool. So if I'm bearish on the rest of the market, Zoom might pop back up today. I mean, she did some pretty crazy movement in pre-market, but she's going to need to do a lot more than that to go up. She's going to need to at least take that level. That's for sure. If she's going to bleed more, she's going to break that level. I say that because this is practically the floor under her. The break above I chose because the gap down, I got many supports, many resistances, turn supports. I mean, that's just a super significant level on every standard. It's a lot. That's just 7. There's actually 8. So let's write those down. Today I am bearish on SPY. Oh yeah, ZM's premiums are insane. It is really good technical analysis though. I have been loving charting it. But yeah, premiums are out the wazoo.
Yo.
Yo, stream's on right now.
Yeah, I saw that. How do I join it?
You're in it right now.
Oh shit, alright.
That's what I was saying. Be careful what you say and all that.
Okay, sir.
I'm posting the list in both chats.
Alright, let me.
I was just about to start going over a few things that people were typing in chat.
Gotcha. I'm gonna join the YouTube one as well so I can see.
Everyone was like, Yanzo's in the title of the video, but we don't hear him. I was like, nah, he's just asleep.
This is sleep.
All good, though. I held the fort down, Yanni.
Okay.
I think NVIDIA is probably my favorite play.
Join the chat. Look at this guy.
Someone message you?
Yeah.
Someone was like, where's your stream at? Like, bro, I tagged it in chat like 8 times. Not my fault if you miss it. I added everyone in. I put it in normal channels. Where's my channel at? Oh, here it is. I'm trying to put my
announcement.
Trying to put my list in here. All right, that looks pretty good. Oh, let me edit NVIDIA since I wanted that to be marked. Look, where's your... All right, cool. People missed out on the stream. They could just as easily come back and check out the stream or video. Where's my channel? All right, let's go over these tickers now. Oh yeah, there's also some more energy stuff going on tomorrow. There's some more energy stuff going on Friday, and remember, everybody, Friday is closed. Do not trade. Do not hold anything. I personally don't recommend holding anything over the weekend, a 3-day weekend. All right, so let's go over the ones in order. I said I'd go over DAL first. DAL, I honestly do not recommend you even investing in. Please stop looking at airlines. If you're gonna short airlines, go to BA. DAL is a lot more crazier. I just don't like playing airlines right now. I mean, these are the worst right now, along with Carnival and Royal Caribbean. These are the worst stocks to be trying to play daily. You're gonna get a lot of IV crush. You're gonna get a lot of sideways movement. You're gonna get a lot of movement you don't want. That's totally fine, but I'm just not catching it. But if you did want to set some levels, I would definitely do. That'd be a passive level. This would be an aggressive level for break above. Break below. A good aggressive level would be, I'd say, there. Passive would be the actual low. If you want to screenshot that, you can, but that's what I would do. I just like the cheap lottos and then for short today. Oh, yeah. If you're doing that, go ahead, but I'm just saying don't try to get caught in it a whole long time because DAL is like walking to hell. It's kind of scary. What was the other one? There was another one. KSS. Break above and below. When you break above, you're trying to play calls. Below, you're trying to play puts. There's all other videos. If you go to my videos, it's how to play the daily watch list. Go watch that and read the description. There's a lot than just a few questions that go into it. CCL director bought 1 million shares, so it'll pump on that. I mean, that is really good news, but that alone I don't think will pump it back up. Actually, let's go look at it. Or no, wait, let me do these in order. Not so I don't miss any. Coles. How have they been doing during all this? Oh, just like everyone else. So they got that you going too. Watch the double top on the 30-minute. Honestly, if you're going to play this day to day, which I don't know what their options are like, so I can't say. Open interest, volume, all that. I'd stick to some passive levels on Coles. Seems like a lot of their movement comes from pre-market every day. They don't really move a whole lot during the day. A lot of their directional movement, I should say, is in the extended hours. Let's go look at CCL. Well, I guess I still kind of like the plan. What time frame did I do all this on? This has to be the hour. The hell is that? Oh, Devin. Treasury drop is out to put them grow. Here we go. Here's that news. Form 4 filing shows purchase of 1.25 million shares by Director Randall. Oh, there's no other news. That's it. That is the news. I don't know. Definitely keep your eye on Carnival if you're trying to invest in this. I know a lot of my friends are investing in this long term, but I just don't think it's. I mean, if you're in for the long haul, I guess you can get in, but I'd personally wait to see what it does run slow, see if it creates a newer low. And this is almost for every stock. If this creates a newer low, or if this is where it decides to hold in this range, then you can have stronger confirmation of buying in. And that's just for shares. For options, I'm not 100% sure on their option chain how pretty it is or anything. Oh, I'll have a video for this soon. I kind of took it from my friend, to be honest with you. He kind of hooks me up. If I knew how to do it, I would tell you right now. I always have to go bug him to make sure I know what I'm doing. But yeah, this is the most OP thing I've ever seen. You can even do you can do indicators up there too. Like nothing but custom indicators on that.
Dude, what do you think's gonna happen with Future? It looks like we could be getting a triple talk.
Hold on, I'm gonna go over one more because this person said coal swings, and I had an idea when I was looking at Carnival.
All right, cool.
I think. All right, so the 30 minutes is where I found that. I think if we can hold above this, I mean, sorry, if we can hold below this, and we're up closer to it, I think towards the end of the day you can swing puts on calls. Calls on calls, I would say you need to be holding above the high, 1889. So I would think if you're gonna swing any long calls, you need to catch support somewhere in this range, or even above that. Go to settings, and at the bottom right, if you ask for a toolbar, settings toolbar. You know, I'm not even gonna try and do that because I'll literally hurt my brain. I'm just gonna let David run y'all through it. Definitely the coolest thing on the chart is these. I'd say this is probably my favorite thing. Damn, we got 30 likes. Let's go. Alright, I'll be in here for about 20 more minutes. If there's any other tickers anybody wants to go through, go ahead and drop them. We went over DAL, we went over KSS a little. I'm just not a huge fan of some of the tickers that are being thrown out. I seriously think that people should stay with these scarier tickers. Like, a lot of people seem to think, like, here, thinks that a lot of these stocks are scary. Yeah, you're right on Zoom. The premiums are insane. Tesla, I could see why no one would play it. But a lot of these other ones, maybe not Amazon, maybe not Apple, maybe even not SPY. I mean, you should be playing SPY, though. Can we get a technical analysis for LK and memory?
In memory of LK before it gets delisted.
After I saw this that day when I went to go put it on my list, I didn't look any of these days to put it on my list again. After I saw this huge drop, I knew this was a lot more than just bad coffee. BAC, I love BAC. USO, I love USO. I love BABA. BA's lit. See, these are all good ass stickers. Yo, Robert, I would not jump into investing randomly. I would go watch those videos before you try to play any of these lists. It's nothing personal or anything. I just don't want to see you lose money. Go watch those videos and then hit us in the next live stream, and then you'll know what's up. This is fun. I mean, it's just a system I try to teach people. Break levels, how to set them, how to play them. Risk management, how to stick with it. Because you can efficiently win. You can lose 6 out of 10 trades and still end up on the week 10%. 10% in the green. Alright, so there's my technical analysis on LK, whoever asked that. USO, I'm actually in calls right now. It ain't looking too pretty. I'm kind of relying on the meetings at this point. What's up, Will? Glad to see a bunch of names in here now. Glad to have you, though, Robert. Hell yeah. I think this is good to go over some lines. I also have videos on how we set these lines. I just like to do this for other people so they could see the exact reasoning on why I chose that line that day. So later on, people aren't like, "Oh, what did he mean that for?" And I ain't gonna remember. I mean, there's so many people I talk to, I won't be able to remember exactly every reason every time. What's up, Yanni? What's your daily outlook on today?
Okay. Let me put out my chart now, dude. I mean, pre-market things are trying to pump. I'm looking at futures. I don't know if you see that. We're trying to break above 27.51. If we're able to break above that 27.51, we'll probably be going towards making higher highs. Cause you see the high is
Oh, you're seeing.
28.
Yeah, I see you.
I'm looking at that because if futures are pumping up green, the whole market would follow.
Also noticed you kind of caught some support there.
Yeah, we got some support, so we're making higher lows here. 26.16. That's what you're looking at, right?
Mm-hmm. I went down
Around
from a
that
low
area.
and then I went up to the next bottoms, and it just kind of had an ascending channel going up a little. Not the craziest
Yeah.
rising, but it's still there.
So if we break above 27.50, we could probably open up green, but we could get rejected. Could be making, well, I was gonna say triple top, but we made a new resistance here, so we could run. Let's see. What else am I
Kind
looking
of
at?
freaks me out that we have been rising like this because we've been
Yeah,
having some
no.
extreme comebacks, like to the bottom side, and then you have like some slow buildups back up. The buyers are having a lot harder time getting that back up than the sellers are.
I
Or
see
this is a
that. I don't.
manipulated rise.
Yeah, I think it definitely is. Let's look at SPY.
I definitely want to see a retake 26.97 as well. Pretty much 26.98. Well, I guess I can go to SPY and do this too, so people aren't like, "The hell's he talking about?" Wow,
Mm.
it's kind of at my break above right now.
I
Set
mean,
another one
SPY
just in
is
case.
SPY is still below what it closed at. It closed at 260. Oh well,
Oh, it's above it.
yeah, it is above it actually. I forgot we had a huge sell off at the end of the day.
Yeah, those red candles at the last 2 minutes really screwed everyone. Or last
Yeah, I
ten
didn't see
minutes
that.
really.
Yep, last 10 minutes at 12:45. 12. Yeah, 15 minutes before the market closed, we just had two red candlesticks. Let me see.
It's crazy.
Q
We got the little
com.
channel on here too. This one's not as pretty though.
Dude, check out QCOM. I like QCOM, dude. This it could run. I mean, if the whole market is green, we could go test higher highs because we're not that far from the high
That is in
from
such a
yesterday. Was
crazy rising channel right now.
yeah.
I'm gonna draw that. Let's see what she does. I haven't played QCOM or even typed this ticker in a minute.
I just like them because the premiums are cheaper.
Yeah, a lot of people in stream would actually probably like your list more than mine.
See, we're approaching higher highs.
AMD
So
does straight up PayPal, AMD, Starbucks. We used to do OK. Now we don't. Got QCOM. Not a whole lot of like really, really good small number stocks. You can't just go trade any of them because they're small. You got to find ones with a lot of volume, open interest, a lot of action, volatility, some the juice. FDX could be breaking out either side. Let's see what
FDX.
I have lines on here already. First of all, where are these lines from? I probably drew these a long time ago. I
Yo,
used to
if you
look.
look at it,
Hmm?
yeah, go ahead.
No, what's up?
There's a dude. I don't know, for some reason FDX. I feel like we're gonna get rejected, bro,
I
because
was just about to say that I'm literally at one of my old lines, and it looks like it's about to get rejected and go down.
That's what I think. I feel like we're gonna get rejected unless we break above 124. If we break above 124.50, then we could be testing higher highs. But I don't know. It's not looking so well.
That was a good eye. Good eye, Jim Rat. I don't know your username in chat, but that was a good eye.
So
Someone
let me
said,
see.
"How
Let me see.
about Verizon?" I know Gary likes Verizon. Ooh.
Yo, Carl had some. I think he had some calls on Verizon. Dude, Verizon is good.
Oh wow, they're pumping.
Yeah, we're approaching crucial resistance. If we're able to break above 57.70, dude, I definitely see this running.
Oh yeah, GE's another good one. Pierce.
Yo, these are good ticker symbols. I'm glad they're mentioning it.
Yeah, they're mentioning a lot in here.
GE, I like GE as well. I mean, if you just keep on pumping, you can really see a rally in the market. But we
Where
just
do
got
I?
to be careful for fake outs in the hour of the market.
Minor Perez, you asked where do I find the list? You can find the list in either of the chats that I run, or I'm an analyst and trade mate, and I run Bueller Buys. Amazon is not suspending their shipping. Yeah, that's why honestly why I keep adding Amazon, because they still have good upside with them, and they're still gonna make their fat moves no matter what kind of market we're in. So it's still good to. It's never gonna be biased, guys. Stop being biased. If I had to give you any piece of advice, it would be stop being so damn biased. Play both sides. Both sides are perfectly fine. You can make money without being biased. Oh, that was Oscar. How much do you think Zoom is going to be hit by that news? What news? Oh, the coronavirus news I was reading earlier.
Oh, Amazon's suspending their shipping. I did not know that.
Amazon themselves will have to rely on third-party shipping. Oh, is suspending their shipping.
Oh, there. Oh, okay. I did not know that.
Oh,
So
he's asking if they. Oh, okay, I didn't. To be fair, though, isn't Amazon suspending their shipping?
yeah, I think Zoom's gonna be hit hard by the news.
I think Zoom's just gonna die because of where it's at right now, technical wise. It would literally have to pop
Yeah,
this level and a bunch of
I've
other
noticed
levels
a
to go up more.
correlation. Whenever the market rallies, Zoom tends to sell off. So, and then Zoom is not worth 113,
Yeah,
man. Come
I don't
on.
post on technical traders because that group is ran by a bunch of foolery. If you want to go join a real group, join literally any other group.
Join Bueller buys.
I don't even care what group they join. They could join any other group. You're in the wrong group, bub.
Yeah, dude.
I don't talk to a
Zoom
whole
is
lot of
in crucial
groups.
support.
I already went over. Nike may be cheap now. Damn, Amazon's gonna be a big watch today then too. I should put some stars on that one. I just don't think a whole lot of people are gonna play it, but this is definitely a big watch. Here it is. FedEx UPS stock surge after Wall Street reports of Amazon halting competing service. That's great. To be fair though, everyone knows Amazon can retake any throne they lose. Such a beast of a company. Favorably. See, those stocks are
Good.
only even doing good because of Amazon. I'm glad someone said FedEx because I would never even would have looked at it. This is all from Amazon. That rise. I don't know about all this correction, but that rise is literally from Amazon. That has nothing to do with the market. I wonder if UPS did the same thing. Yep. In the same spot. Even kind of retraced down a little bit in the same spot. Nike. MLB plays. So MLB's already talking about coming back in the May.
Look, um, you should check out. Let me see. Let me see. Uber.
You want me to put Uber on my chart?
Yeah, dude, you'll love it because we're in crucial support. We can either bounce above the support and go back to hitting higher highs, or break below the support and just sell off and go make lower lows. I'm gonna be watching it.
Yeah, I'll probably watch. What was the one I was just looking at? I honestly want to watch Nvidia. Nvidia was my favorite one out of the whole list. Amazon looked pretty alright.
See, you have the same lines I have.
Really?
Yeah, those are oh yeah. Well, the ones you just had there, they were similar to the ones I had.
I personally always love to play Square. Can get good contracts for less than $300, and it is heavily traded and makes big moves. Those are all facts. And the news that comes out for that stock is always pretty good. Not like good news wise, but like when news comes out, something actually happens. Not just it comes out and everyone's stale footed and doesn't care about it. I do like Square.
And then Square just got approved to become a actual bank as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's good news for that.
Good to have you, Steven. Glad you're here. I like playing SH when I don't like risking on SPY. Decent OI too, yeah. Wow, this Bueller guy is a charting god. No, I'm not. Not even close. But thank you, though. Do I have a Discord chat? Yes, I do. I'm a part of 2 chats, actually. Yeah, for real. FedEx did look good. Shout out to... I forgot who already... I'll have to scroll up. Oh, it was Oscar. Thank you, Oscar. Oscar always has good recommendations.
So then UPS should be looking the same. Yeah, have you checked UPS?
Yeah, I did. And it was about the same thing in pre-market.
Yeah, yeah.
It had its little rise, and then it had its little retracement.
I'm looking at that right now.
What do I think about Foot Locker? I know that... what's his name likes them? Dylan.
Because it's so.
I don't think a
Damn.
whole lot about Foot Locker right now. I really don't. I'm not looking at a whole lot of companies that like Foot Locker because I just don't see the demand in people going out and buying a bunch of shoes in this time. Foot Locker's a lot more than shoes, but
That is crazy. We're at high of 48, and now Foot Locker's at 22.
dude, I
Like I'm
remember
watching.
playing Foot Locker's earnings like a while ago. A while ago. I think I played these earnings. I played the drop. I think I made like... I grabbed puts like 2 days before that even happened. So I only made like 80% that day. No problem, Minor Perez. Glad to have you here. Anybody could join this stream. I don't really care what groups join this stream. I'm just going to let you know if your group's a piece of shit or not. I like almost every single group I've come into contact with, but there's those special like 2 or 3 that are just horrible. And I don't understand how they charge people. I don't understand why they charge people. They should be being charged by the members to even give them that kind of information. God, I could post freaking Robin Hood plays all day if I wanted to, but that isn't gonna help anyone. Check my YouTube description bio, whatever it's called on this. There's a Discord link there. But yeah, I don't see some of these groups are charging 50, 60, 70, almost 100, 200, $300 a month. It just I don't see it. Ours is 35 a month, and we have a discount right now. There's so many groups just doing so many crazy things. I like TradeMate. I like Bueller Buys. I like Kevin. And that's about it. There's a bunch of fake groups out there, too. A lot of the owners take information. I've personally seen owners taking all kinds of stuff. I'll It's perfectly fine though. Just gotta push through the shit. If you're still here, please leave a like on the video. We did break 25, so that's awesome. Do appreciate every bit of that. And I thank everyone that joined. I think we're going to sit in here for a few more minutes, go over futures and some other stuff. Any tickers anybody wants us to look at. But I'm sure everybody's clicking off anyway just to go check out the market for themselves. I don't blame them. Oh, and watch the 5 minute. Don't just stare at the 1 minute all day. If you're in a position especially, once you're in a position, just stare at the 5 minute. Just trust your TA. Have mental stop losses and all that good stuff. That's to your TA, not based off of your percentage. Like, yeah, you can go down 15% and cut your loss. That's good risk management. But another good piece of risk management is if I'm in puts here and this runs up to here and pushes up, I'm going to exit because I now know that it's going to go farther than here. If it would have rejected here, I probably would have kept holding and minimized my loss. Now, if I'm in calls here and it goes here and rejects, I know that I need to be weary that it needs to break above this. If it goes down, and let's say it breaks this level, this lovely level of support, I'm in calls, and it goes up here and rejects, comes down here, I now know that if it breaks this, I need to exit, because it's a lot more money than I'm willing to lose, and I'm trusting 100% off my TA. None of this is percentages, numbers, any of that. Straight off of the TA. Nothing crazy there. Dude, SPY is still on that angle. I have a feeling SPY is gonna pump to 270, Yanni, like right it open, or die and fall to 265.50. Right it
Oh
open.
yeah, that's what happened yesterday. We sold off and then we ran after lunch hour, I think.
Here, I'm gonna open up my options chain on SPY, see what's up.
Damn, look at that 5 minute chart.
Yeah, 5 minutes wild.
It is wild.
Discord chat's in the bio.
Look at our boy Devin.
Devin Cox, go Trump. If I could can I like that comment or something?
No, you can only report it on
Devin Cox is
Rocket.
now a moderator for your channel. I can do that? Hold up. If that's really Oscar, I'm making him a moderator. Hell yeah. I can just click y'all and give y'all powers. That's awesome. I didn't even know that. I can give Jonathan moderator.
On what? On Discord? On
No,
YouTube?
on YouTube. Like in the stream channel where they're all typing, I can click like next to their name. There's these 3 dots, and I can give them moderator role.
What? That's dope. Yo, to join the server, is the link in the description?
Yeah, it's in my bio. I've said it a good amount of times now.
Alright.
And there is if you go to the channel, it literally says it on the front of my screen, on the front of your screen. Not you, I'm talking about anyone who's watching. I just keep seeing it get asked. It's on the bio.
Oh, okay, I see it. Yeah, just if you want to join, just go to the original YouTube page and then you'll see it in my Discord group on the side with Instagram, Twitter. Just click that little link and it should send you the Discord.
Or worst
And
case,
you'll
just
see
go
us.
check me out on Instagram. Same at Bueller Trades.
Oh yeah, through that same little. You can check out Twitter, Instagram, or Discord.
Me and Yanni might trade in here for a few minutes. We'll see. Wednesdays, I'm not supposed to stream. I'm supposed to just go chill in the private chat with everybody. But we'll see. Damn, we got 38 likes now. I only asked for 25. Whoa, Yanni. Like, everyone can hear that. That was loud.
What?
I don't know, you had like a hurricane come by. It was like you into the mic. It's all good. Yo, Yanni.
Yo.
We gotta get these shares if everything dies again. I only have light positions.
On which? Oh yeah.
If you're in this stream now, I'll tell you straight up the 5 stocks I'm maining on, and then my sixth aggressive stock. I'm gonna wait a second though. I would say if I can get this many likes, but it just gave me 40. Energy transfer is one. That's my favorite. I'm gonna have 100. I would hope to have thousands of shares of that one day. KO, Microsoft Public Storage, it's PSA, and then Waste Management, WM. Those are the 5 I'm gonna be having in that video that I was talking about, as well as the 6th aggressive one, which would either be a bank or Apple. If you're gonna choose stocks to come back, you don't need to be choosing them for one reason. They need to be chosen
Josh,
for multiple reasons.
I'm gonna get my microphone so you can you hear me good?
Yeah, we can hear you good. That one random second, you just had a hurricane come by.
All right, because I was gonna connect that microphone I showed you, but because I'm on my phone right now.
Oh, you sound good.
All right, dope.
Steven Castillo. Are we related? I'm related to a bunch of Castillos. Castillos, Gambinos, Guerreros.
All right, one more minute.
35 seconds. Do we do what I say and bleed through, or do we go up? Let's find out.
I feel like we're gonna get rejected, bro.
Yeah, I feel like we fly straight down, like either to this trend line or down here, or even to a past support.
I'm looking at futures first before I even place any trades.
Yeah, I'm not even jumping into anything yet.
There you go. Let's see.
If I had to give any early market tips to anybody, it would be don't be playing super early. Like, you don't need to be jumping into a trade right now just because you think you know what it's going to do. Why don't you wait for some actual confidence, some actual TA, some actual confirmation. No need to play every other second of the day. You're going to be pissed when you lose your money that fast. Make your money that fast, though. You'll be excited. Damn, we've been in the stream for an hour, or I have at least, an hour, 5 minutes. It's awesome.
Yeah, I've only been here for like 30, 35.
I guess I'll just wait till SPY makes an actual move out of this little range, like right now.
Oh, look, Spy's trying to pump. Future's trying to pump.
16,000 buys.
Uber's trying to Uber's trying to pump. Let's check. Starbucks is selling. Qcom is trying to pump, but I don't see no real direction right now.
Nope, I'm waiting for SPY.
Yeah, I'm still giving it time. Let's see. Mm-hmm.
Alright, I think I'm gonna end the stream there. This was supposed to just be for the watch list, but today's gonna be pretty juicy. It looks like it's gonna be a slow open. It looks like. Make sure to like this video. Go check out the other videos if you want to learn more about what we do here. We share literally every piece of information of this system and how we do it and how we play it. We don't really care about how much money people make. It's all about good TA, executing, patience, consistency, persistence, percentages. I mean, it's literally all about this. It's about learning. It's not about who's best. It's about learning, and everybody in our chats eat and learn together.
Yo, it looks like we're getting rejected.
Together.
16,000 buys. 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 Dude, it looks like we're getting rejected there. You see it?
Mm-hmm. That 5 minute candle still got a couple. It's got another minute and a half.
Damn.
I'm gonna see what it does on my trend line though. Did you see the trend line I had, that sharp one?
Yeah, I did see that with the
Yeah,
I
I'm gonna
see
see what
that.
it does on there first.
Honestly, I see it retesting your support right there.
At 266.75 or the purple line?
The purple line.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. All right, guys. Well, we'll see you on the next stream. Thank you everybody for being here. See you on the next one.